Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar today. I really want to appreciate you for taking out time to join us today. And in today's webinar, you are going to be learning something extraordinary, something unique, something you might not have seen before in this Forex space. So I want you to sit back. I will try as much as possible to make this webinar very short. And you will learn a lot today. I can tell you that for free. So sit back and enjoy this webinar. I'm going to be introducing myself for the sake of those that are just joining us for the first time. So I will do proper introduction of myself, and I can bet with you, you will never regret joining this webinar. And don't forget to stay to the end because there is something huge awaiting you at the end of this webinar. So let's proceed today to what we have today. So for the sake of people that join us for the first time, my name is Olaolu Abamitale, and I'm popularly known as FX Solution, like Forex Solution. That's what people know me as. Because I provide trading solution, I used to tell people that I provide trading solutions. So when it comes to Forex trading, getting solution that can work in this space, you can always rely on me. I will not put you to shame. So that is why they call me the FS Solution. And to the glory of God, I'm the managing director of OTE Traders and OTE Academy. So the meaning of OTE is Optimum Tick Experts Limited. We're a registered company here in Nigeria. So, and we have the OTE Traders and we have the OTE Academy. OTE Traders, what we do there is we build different trading boards and we sell to people. And OTE Academy, we train people, we make traders, profitable traders. That's what we do there. I have over 8 years experience in trading. So I've been trading the Forex market for over 8 years. And this is it. I used to tell people that I have 5 years experience in working with 3 different brokers. So I've been as a staff of brokers. Like I work as a staff. So I know what is going on. When it comes to brokerage firm, I have experience. I have the knowledge when it comes to brokerage firm, which I can tell you the insider information that you can't get anywhere. And nobody can tell you those insider. If you are not with me, you can't know it. And I can tell you that. So I'm an algo trader, fund manager, MT04 programmer, even software programmer or software developer. So I build trading software. All our website, I designed them myself. And I design softwares like trading bots that can do the needful when it comes to the Forex market. I designed them as well. So I started trading. I was a guy that I was selling insurance here in Lagos, moving from one place to another selling insurance. Then one day, like I've mentioned this story times without number, but for the sake of the new people. So one day, one of my boss, my supervisor then, just you this young guy, like, there's something I'm doing, which he mentioned Forex trading to me, introduced to me. At a point, I didn't want to do it because I wasn't comfortable. I was saying it like, this thing is gambling. And I asked him, how much have we made from this? He told me, he was so sincere with me that he had never made anything from Forex trading. But he believed so much in me that I can do it. That I'm young and he believes so much that I can do it. And to the glory of God, here I am, selling insurance in the street of Lagos to becoming the managing director of OTE Academy and OTE Traders. So I'm not just the kind of person that use mouth. I know you've seen a lot of people out there. They say I'm a trader. I can turn the whole world upside down. I can do this. I can do that. They can give you a lot of fake promises. So I'm not just a trader. I'm not just a trainer. I have results, proven results to show people that, oh, this is what I've done for myself, not by mouth. So for the sake of people that are not aware, we have some websites that can audit anybody that claimed they're forex trader. Just ask them, do you have any audited result? Anybody can screenshot, they can modify, they can do anything. There's a link they can send to you to verify. Okay, just like LinkedIn, for example. You say you're on LinkedIn or you are this, just send me your LinkedIn profile. Let me go and check you out. Okay, so traders also, they have a place you can check them out. If truly they are performing, they are doing what they claim to do. They are doing what they claim they've been doing. So there's a link they can just give to you. You can check it out to verify. Oh, let me see your performance. So I have a result, proving the result, but I'm not going to show it now. I'll show you because more people will definitely join us. So I will show it in the middle of the webinar. I will show what I did last year. I will show what I'm doing now, and I will show you some tools that I've been using as well that have been giving me edge in the market. So I'm going to ask you this question, and I want you to drop it in the comment section. Why are you here? Why are you here? I'll give you a few minutes to respond to that. Why are you here? You don't have to send the epistle. Why are you here? I am here because I am here. Very simple. So let me ask you, why are you in this meeting? Why are you here in this webinar? I'm waiting. So why are you here? So thank you. I know some people will say they are here to learn forex trading. So if you are here to learn forex trading, I'm so sorry to tell you, you're in the wrong place. Don't mind me. So you say you are here to learn how to code trading bots. You're in the wrong place. You say you are here to learn how to analyze the forex market. You're in the wrong place. Your primary aim for being here, if it's not for you to learn how to make money, please, you are in the wrong place. So your purpose of being here should be you are here to learn how to make money from forex trading. You are here to learn how to make money. That's the primary aim of you being here. So if it's different from that, I think you're in the wrong place. And if you are here to make money, I want to tell you there are 3 ways in which you can make a lot of money in a legitimate way. 3 ways. I know there are numerous ways to make money, but 3 ways that I know that you can make legitimate money, and I'm going to be showing you today. The first way you can make a lot of money, you can have a lot of money, is through inheritance. If you are born into a wealthy home, your parents already built everything for you. They are well to do. You are born with a silver spoon. You are born with a blue teeth. So they've done everything for you. Making money is very easy for you. But let's be honest, most of us here are not in this category. Most of us, we just have to make the silver spoon ourselves. I know some of us are born with silver spoon though, but I know some of us, people like myself and some other people here, we are not born with a silver spoon. So we don't have this wealth. We don't have this money in our home. We just have to make it. Okay. So this number one way in which you can make money legitimately. And if you are still waiting for one rich uncle somewhere, you might as well wait forever. Maybe one of your uncle is already made, or your family they are made, but you are not made. You don't have to wait for them. You just hit the ground running. So this is the first way in which you can make wealth. The second way is this, which a lot of us are in this cycle, this particular one, is to work hard for the money. And 90% of people, this is where they are currently. They are working hard for the money. So you work, you earn, you pay bills, and you repeat the cycle. And this has been the cycle of a lot of people. But there is no issue with this. Another thing I want to tell you is this. If you stop working, the money stop coming. But there is no issue being in this particular phase, like in this cycle. The biggest issue or the biggest problem is you remaining in this cycle forever. That's where the problem is. Because I've never seen a wealthy man, a rich man, that is in this cycle working hard for money. If it is working hard for money, then the people doing the what's it called, the hard labor job, or what they call them, they should be the richest. But I'll show you another way in which most people, the rich people, are making money, and this is this: when money start working for you, and this is where a lot of people are actually making their money. Do you get it? A lot of wealthy people, this is where they are making their money. Do you get it? So your money work for you. You need to get to this point, to the point where your money will start working for you. You can start, like I said, you can start from working hard for the money. After working hard for the money, you need to do it in such a way that your money can start working for you. And this is where real wealth is being built. This phase. And for example, you can build a system, you can have an investment or an asset that can make your money to work for you. And I know that a lot of people really want this. So wealthy people don't work for money. They build a system that makes money work for them. And that is what I'm going to be showing you today. How to build a system that will make money to start working for you. And that is the goal of this webinar. Now, the question is, how do you make your money work for you in today's world? How do you make? A lot of people has gotten their finger burnt. You can do that with real estate. But the but there is this. You need a lot of capital to buy maybe acres of land or hectares of land, maybe to sell in the future, build a house, resell it, and all that. You need a lot of money to actually do that. Or you can start a business. Starting a business is good, but it takes time and involves some level of risk as well. And you need to be there full time, monitoring the business, doing this, doing that, moving from one point to another to actually make your money work for you, setting up the business in such a way that the business is start yielding money for you. Another one is stock. Stock, you can invest in stocks or shares. You can buy shares, you can invest in stock. The problem there is sometimes very slow. But rich people don't really mind. They don't care to make 1% in a month or make 5% in a year. They don't really care. So they don't mind doing it. But people that are just trying to get their feet on the floor, to get their feet on the ground rather, they can't do all this. And this is one of the fastest way people are trying to do this today is forex trading. This is one of the fastest way. See, let me tell you, forex trading, you don't need to break the bank. You don't need to move from point A to point B to make money. And one thing that got my attention in forex trading is that something I can do with my phone, in the comfort of my home, anywhere I am, I can do it and I can make money for myself. And that was what really got my interest in forex trading when I started. That all I just need is a smartphone. I don't need to know Mr. A, Mr. B. I don't need to be educated to trade forex. I don't need a degree. I don't need a certificate. I don't need a license to trade forex. Those are the things that got my attention to actually let me try this out. Something I can be in my home and be doing this. And forex trading has paved way for a lot of people like myself. Imagine selling insurance in the street of Lagos. I know what my eyes saw. Why selling insurance? Insurance is the most difficult thing to sell, especially in this side of the world, in Nigeria, in this side of the world, in Africa. Because you'll be telling someone when you die, your children will be okay. They will live a comfortable life. And every Nigerian, nobody wants to die. Even though we want to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. You get so forex trading changed the story for me. Turned me from someone selling insurance from the street of Lagos to where I am right now. And you can do that for a lot of people. So let me quickly introduce you to my world of financial e-market trading, like I used to call it. E-market trading is something you do online. It's an e-business. It's online business, electronic trading. So it is simply electronic way of buying and selling or investing in global financial market through a brokerage firm. Don't worry, we know what a brokerage firm is later. We can call them forex broker or broker. Do you get it? Or a brokerage firm or a brokerage platform. So they are just like the middleman between you and the bank and the liquidity provider or the bank. So when forex started, a lot of people could not afford it because to trade forex you might need a large amount of money to trade forex then. But brokers say, hey guys, don't worry, come, we give you leverage to be able to trade with your $100, with your $5, with your $20. They will give you leverage so that your money will be able to operate in the global financial market and you'll be able to make something substantial. So financial assets like currency, commodity, global share indices, and major cryptocurrency, those are the things we trade in the forex market. And who can trade in the global financial market? Let me tell you, everyone can do this. Everyone can do this. And the advantage of this forex market or the financial market e-trading and investment is this. Like I mentioned, age and gender are not barrier. Whether you're a female, you're a male, you can do this business of forex trading. Whether you're educated, you are not educated, you can do it. Location is not a barrier. Anywhere you are, so far there's internet connection, you can do it. And what I used to tell people, like in this side of the world, like Nigeria and African country, if you want to do a business, you might need to know Mr. A, Mr. B to set up some business in this side of the world. But in forex trading, the only connection you need is your internet connection. That's the only thing you need. And like I said, no education barrier. Whether you are, provided you can operate your phone, you can do this business. And it's thrive. You know, some business like the market is bad right now. You can't make money. Whether the market is bad, whether the global economy is bad, is good, you can make money from the forex market. Even during war, people are making money from the forex market. When there is war, that's even the best time to trade. When during COVID, a lot of people are making money. They made money. I made money from the forex market also during COVID. Okay. So this is what forex market can do, and these are the advantages of forex market. These are the things I saw that got my interest in this forex market trading. So are there successful people in this financial market trading business? Are there successful people? Yes, the answer is yes. There are successful people. Let me give you. These are the richest forex trader between 2010 to 2019. This is what I was able to get online. So the richest forex trader as of 2019 was Jim Simeon, was the richest forex trader, followed by Ray Dalio. Then this man, also George Soros. I know a lot of people might have heard of George Soros. George Soros was the man that built the Bank of England. A whooping man, just one man battalion, just one man, was able to make a whooping 1 billion from the forex market in 1992. So which made, they call it Black Wednesday. It made the whole country to go etasketa, because almost the money in the circulation came to only him during that period. So just to tell you how profitable the forex market is. And don't this particular line I use, they've used this line to actually put a lot of people in trouble. And I will be sincere with you that there's one man that make a whooping 1 billion. So that was, I remember when they told me that, when I was learning forex trading, trying to, I want man make 1 billion. So anytime I wake up in the morning, I'm like, let me just make 1 billion too. Even though I can't make 1 billion, let me just make one big money with my $20, with my $100. Let me make one big money from forex trade, and I just please trade and I just check it. I'll just see like $1 million. See, let me tell you the truth. George Soros make 1 billion. Guess how much he invested? He invested 10 billion. And he made he made 1 billion. So don't get carried away. Like forex trading, you can make 1 billion. One person make 1 billion. So these are the hidden truth. People are not telling you. That will make you to be running that skater. Ah, don't worry, $10. I'll flip $10 to $100,000. These are the lies they've been telling a lot of people, and has been making people to lose money here and there. Every time they fund account, they try to make 1 billion and they end up losing their hard money. So we get there. Let's proceed. So just the same way we have successful people in every business of the world. We have successful doctor, we have unsuccessful doctor. If you look at different profession, we have engineer, successful engineer, we have unsuccessful. The same way we have black, we have white, we have black. It's just like that. So in every business, we have the successful and the unsuccessful. But what makes forex trading different is that if you look at every business, if you look at this rate of, let's say, doctors, for example, you can't look at the profession, the medical field, and say, the successful doctors, that they are just five. We have 5% successful doctor. It's not possible. So if we look at their profession, maybe you might have maybe like 40 or 30% successful doctors. Do you get? But in forex trading, the case is, the reverse is the case. The rate of success in forex trading is very slim, and I'm going to tell you why today, and why some people are still unsuccessful. And I don't want to say they will still be unsuccessful if they don't change. So are there unsuccessful people trading forex, the forex market? Yes, we have a lot of them, which I'm going to show you. So just type on Google. You say percentage. What is the percentage of successful forex trader from statistic? So you can see here. Let me see. Okay, why? Let's read this, please. Why 90 to 95% lose money over the long time? See, don't let me lie to you. I work for brokers. I know what's going on from the back end. More than 95% of people that put money when I was with broker will fund their trading account. I can tell you, they don't withdraw. If they decide to withdraw, it's not that the broker will stop them from withdrawing their fund. No, that's not what I'm saying. They've put the money, they will lose it. It's only few ones that say, no, I can't lose everything. Maybe they've lost 50% or they will now pull it out. Do you get what I'm saying? So 95% of people that put money in forex, I know people that have been funding their account for more than 3 years. I've known them. They've never placed a withdrawal. They've never placed a withdrawal from the forex market. They've never. They keep on putting money and they keep on losing it. That has been the cycle. And the reason is not far-fetched. So this is the real problem that people are not talking about. So most people enter the forex market thinking, this is very easy. It's just to buy and sell. You know, you click buy, you click sell. With your smartphone, you don't need to talk to anybody. Nobody sees you. If I'm trading the forex market, nobody will know I'm trading. I can just be pressing my phone. You think I'm playing game. So nobody sees you. You are not accountable to anybody. You can quickly put your money and lose it and do as if nothing happened. Nobody will laugh at you that you've lost your money. So people are actually thinking forex market is just easy. Maybe it's just to buy. When it's going up, you buy. When it's coming down, you sell. And they end up losing their money. I remember when I was with a broker, that was a man which I met. He attended one of our seminar sometimes and he funded $500. I wanted to help him then. Then we are using copy trading. I wanted to put him on one copy trading. So on Monday morning, by the time I reached out to him, I saw that he has already traded his account. His account from 500 has gotten to 900 Monday morning. So I called him, sir, do you add more money? What happened? He said, I'm trading it. I was like, you are trading? Do you know how to trade? He said, no. When time is going up, I'm just buying. When it's coming down, I'm just selling. I was like, sir, stop, don't do that. He said, don't worry about it. Allah, don't worry about it. Lo and behold, this man grew the account to 1,500 that same day. I called him, sir, can you withdraw 500, even your capital, and leave the rest? He told me, ah, no, 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 don't worry, he knows what he's doing. To cut the long story short, this man lost everything back to the forex market. And there's something in forex market, and this is what has been, should I call it, it's like a bondage that's held people captive for a long time. We call it beginner's luck. Beginner's luck. So you can put money in forex and just keep on buying, and before you know it, you double your account. So that mentality will remain on your head forever. That me, I turn $100 to $1,000. I can do it again. So that has held a lot of people captive. People will keep on doing the same thing. Like, but I've seen money before now, even though I've no idea withdraw it. But I've seen money. They will do the same thing. They will do like this man. After like 2 years, when and I spoke to him, I realized that this man, the man that I was talking about, is well to do. Then when I met him, it was well to do. Somebody that can bring out $500 to just fund. The same day, that came attended our webinar, a seminar rather. He funded. This was many years ago, maybe around 2001 or 2000, around 2001 or thereabout. This man, when I spoke to him around 2024, no, 2021 was the time I met him. So 2024, like 3 years later, when I spoke to him, guess what? This man was in serious debt because of forex trading. Was in serious debt because of forex trading. After that, he has borrowed money, put money, and he was an accountant. In short, the time I spoke to him, he told me that any moment from now, they can sack him from his place of work because of some money he has touched, he has put, he has done that. We hope he's going to get it back. So some people see forex trading as gambling, like she needs to buy when it's going on buy. So forex trading is not gambling. You need to learn the rope. It's not that easy. You might see it as something that is very easy. Another thing is that forex trading is supposed to help your money work for you. But for most people, it has become where their money disappears. And this is a bitter truth. A lot of people, forex trading, they want to create another stream of income. They want their money to work for them. But at the end of the day, they end up losing their hard-earned money. I'm going to tell you why all these things are happening and what people are getting wrong. I'm going to tell you in this webinar. So the problem is not the opportunity of the forex trading. The problem is how people are actually trading, how people are actually approaching the forex market. So this is why most traders fail in forex trading. I want you to pay attention to this. This is why most traders, why they fail when it comes to forex trading. Number one is this: they trade with emotion. I can teach you everything in this world regarding forex trading, but there is one thing nobody on earth can teach you, which is the emotion. We all have different emotion. So there is no way on earth you can learn how to manage your emotion. Your emotion is who you are. You can't change it. I'm so sorry to say. It's not something you can learn. If you tell you don't trade on Friday, for example, don't trade during the news because of your emotion. That's who you are. You will not know when you place trade. It's not your fault. Do you get? It's not your fault. It's not your problem. It's not your fault. That's who you are. That's how you are made. And it's difficult. It's difficult to change that. You can learn everything in forex trading, but your emotion is very difficult to be trained. Forget you read 10 books, you read 14 books. At the end of the day, you see that emotion part of you is, some people might see their accounts in negative, maybe out of $10,000, they're seeing minus $8,000. They'll be working, they'll be doing normal life, like they will behave normal, they will not misbehave. But some people, their $100, they are seeing minus $20. They start purging, they start having headache, they start having BP. So that's who they are. It's emotion. So you can, and it's difficult to change, it's difficult to train. Another reason is, I'm going to show you how to overcome that. Another reason is they don't follow the rules. You have stated rule. I buy so time, I trade between so time. It's difficult as human to follow the rule. It's difficult. Another one is move stop loss. It's about to hit my stop loss. I quickly move it. That's one thing. Another reason why people fail. Over leveraging. Some people loss size, big loss size. They tell you small loss size cannot buy you Ferrari. Use big loss size. And you end up using big loss size on your account and you end up blowing it. At the end of the day, the Ferrari you didn't buy, the money you didn't make, even the one you have, you see, end up losing it. And revenge trading, after you made some losses, you put money again. I must take my money back. I must take my money back. And these are the reasons why people, you jump from strategy to strategy. This one is even the worst part. What strategy are you using? You say, I'm using smart money concept. Tell me, teach me, how is it? Somebody will just tell you, when the candle is this, when the market gets here, you buy. When this, that's your strategy. You change you dump the one you are using, you started using that. Someone will tell you, I use indicator. Show me, which indicator are you using? Even the worst part, if some people post, if I just send a screenshot of my MT4, do you know some people will be looking at okay, this indicator you use this. Oh, you use this, you use this, you use that. Before you know it, they put it on their on their MT4 and start using it. So they jump from strategy to strategy. This is why most people, and it's not people's fault. It's not people's fault. And the biggest problem in forex trading is not the strategy, it is human behavior. And let me tell you this secret: forex trading is not meant to be traded manually. If you are hearing that from me, if this today is the first time you are hearing that, listen to me and hear it clearly. Forex trading is not meant to be traded manually, and I'm going to show you why. So the question became, how do we remove emotion from trading? Now we know our emotion. I know this is what will be going on in so many people's mind. You told us emotion, we can't train it, we can't do anything. Tell us what's the way forward. Discipline, I can't discipline myself. What's the way forward? Follow rules. I can't follow the rules. I know that. So what's the way forward? And that was when we started developing trading algorithms and trading bots. It's because we understand. Some people understand that forex trading is not meant to be traded manually. Look at different things in forex trading. Your emotion, trade psychology, risk management. It's difficult for human to trade forex market successfully. See, with due respect, let me tell you this. I deal with more than 10,000 clients when I was working as a staff of a broker. I will tell you a secret. I can I don't want to make a fallacy because it might be a fallacy, but I will try to reduce it. So I can tell you for free that I don't think I don't want to say I've never seen. So, but let me just say like this. I don't think the successful manual trader that I've seen since I've been working for brokers, that have been making consistent profit from the market, I don't think they are up to two or one. If I've seen any, which I'm not so sure, but I don't want to say that. I don't think they're up to two or one. Do you know the cycle? They make money today. In 2 weeks' time, they will lose the money. The one they withdraw, they spend, they put it back, they lose it. They put back, they lose. They put back, they lose. That's the cycle. They make money today, they lose more tomorrow. Make small, lose more. But because of that bondage of I was not that made $1,000 now. This guy gave me $1,000. They keep on losing money. So the way forex trading sometimes might look like a trap if you are not smart enough. After you try, when you realize that you're about to give up, like this person will not trade forex again. After a while, after maybe you made $1,000 and you've lost like $5,000, you're like, no, after this one, I'm not trading again. You not make you cannot make $500. Like, hey, I said it. I know the problem now. You try again, you make another maybe $800. Now I'm back. I want to recover my money. Before you know it, the forex market will take it again. You're like, oh, it's because I slept off. I know what to do now. Before you know it, that's been the cycle of most people, most traders. And I'm telling you this for free. That's been the cycle of most traders. That is why I said forex market is not designed to be traded manually. So I know a lot of people like this guy that have been talking. You've been talking about change. What have you done for yourself? What give you the effort to be saying all these things? So let me show you, like I said, to the people that started with us, that I don't just make mouths or make claims. I will show you what I've done for myself, the system I've built, and the audited result. So let's go to my FS book and I will show you what I've done for myself. This is my FS book account. These are the system. I have many systems I've built. Some of them I've been trading for the past 3 years. You can see their gain. You can see different gains. You can see monthly return. You can see different things. You can see the balance. These are the systems I built for myself. Not everyone can show you their FS book, that login. This is not screenshot. You can see the site is moving. And because of time, let me show you what I did in 2025. Because at the end of the year, this platform, they audit your trading performance and tell you your results, audited results. So this is my own audited result. You can see this is my childhood pseudonym, Sir Trolley. So you can see it here too. It's the same account. So this is my audited result. So for 2025, if you look at this, this is the total return I did. I did 180.5 return on investment. This is my net profit for for last year, 2025. And you can see my best trade is gold. I love trading gold. Here is the most important part. This is the number of trades I placed. I placed 9,705 trades last year. And out of the 9,705, my win rate, I won 74.2% and I lost 25.8%. In forex trading, the goal is not, you must not lose money at all. You win some, you lose some in forex trading. But the goal is to make more than you lose. That's the goal. And that is what I've done here. And if you know, I don't place buy. I use my algorithm. And this is what I'm telling you. Forex trading is not meant to be traded manually. You need algorithm to be successful. This is a whole 1 year result. This is a whole 1 year result of what I did for myself on all the capital I put in. Someone, what's the capital? I don't have to tell you the capital, but whatsoever capital I put, just do the calculation. People that know mathematics, you know my capital. Since you have my net profit, this is the return. Then capital won't be an issue to calculate. Do you get? But this is the part, interesting part. Out of this, 9,000, 9,007, almost 9,000 trade I placed. That is telling you that I place a lot of trade because I have a lot of algorithm placing trade and there. And this was what I did for myself for 2025. It's not everybody that can show you this. Not everybody that can show you these things I'm showing you. It's because they don't have it. They can only show you MetaTrader at 4 results. Let me even show you. I have MQL. This is my MQL. Yeah, this is my. You can see this is MetaCode. This is MQL5.com. You can audit your performance here. Do you get it? So this is one of my bots as well. I will tell you more about it. You can see the growth. You can see everything. You can even open it to see more about it too. But because of time, don't let us go. I might still come back to show you all these things. You can see month in, month out, the return on investment and all that. So I'll still come back to show you all this, but let's just proceed with the webinar. So now you've seen my results. Let me now tell you what trading bots will do for you. What trading bots will do for you that your manual trading can never do. Number one, trading bots will eliminate emotion because now you are not the one doing it yourself. You eliminate emotion. And another one, they follow rules. They trade 24 hours. They're always in the market. And most trading bots has proper risk management. The consistency is legit. They are good for busy people. You want your money to work for you. Your money working for you, and you are still on the chart drawing lines, sweating, doing this, buying here. Your money is not working for you. You are still working for your money. But setting up a trading bot, as I'm talking to you, anytime the market is open, my bot is trading. I don't need to be checking. Everything has been said. And trading bot is good for beginner or professional. No matter your level of experience, trading bot will do it for you. But here is the problem: why trading bots lose money. Trading bots also lose money, but there is a reason why trading bots lose money, and I'm going to be showing you that today. The first one is bad brokers. I will tell you that for free. I work for brokers, and one of the biggest mistakes most traders do. You know the biggest mistake. If you are not taking anything, take this away. The biggest mistake most traders do is if they see any broker, they will go to all those reviews. I don't want to mention their name. Go to all those reviewing sites. They go and check. Let me go and read about the broker. See, let me tell you something. I'm telling you from a place of knowledge, a place of like experience. See, worst brokers, we have the best review. The worst brokers, we have the best review. Go on, you take it anyway. Worst brokers, we have the best review on those reviewing sites. There was one broker I was working for some time ago. Our review was 2.3 over 5. Bad review. Pure review of people. They are like, that's a true picture of the broker. Well, we approached those people that you call your reviewing sites. The broker approached them and they paid $10,000 then. And guess what? Immediately the transaction was made. The 2.3 review jumped to 4.5 review. They removed all the bad reviews. And if you drop any bad review there, come back the following day, they removed it. Just to paint the broker good. But the good brokers, they know what they are doing. They won't pay such money. And the sad part is that people don't really give good review. People are easy, they can easily give bad review. Do you get like today, like last week rather, I was telling one of our clients, like I told like 4 of our clients that, can you do a video review just to play it at the webinar? Can you do it for? I said, no, I don't like my face to show. I don't like, no. I can only send message to you. I don't want my face to show, please. I don't want people to see my face. I don't know the person. Do you get? People don't like giving good review, but it's bad review. Can you? You don't even have to tell them. They be the one going out. My boss. The boss. These people are liars. They are this. They show their face. But the good review. People are always scared of. They don't give good review. The same thing with broker. Brokers that is doing good. People trading there. How many times have you given any review about a broker? Good review about broker you are using. Let me even ask you. When was the last time you dropped a good review for maybe Coca-Cola or Pepsi? You will never drop any good review for them. You will never. But the day you say cockroach inside the Pepsi bottle, I can bet you the whole world will hear it. That's how human beings, that's how we are wired. So people don't drop good review. They have the energy to drop bad review. Just few people that does that. And that is why people will always go online. Let me go and read review about them. See, let me tell you, those bad brokers, they will have paid and clear it off. And because of this, we want to save you the stress of bad brokers. Don't forget why trading bot failed. The first one is bad brokers. We have 2 brokers in which we use, which I'm going to be showing you. The first one is PU Prime. They are a regulated broker. This was the last broker I worked for. I can tell you for free. All the brokers I work for, I gave this broker number 1. Do you know why? As an account manager, this is an insider information. As an account manager, if you place withdrawal on the platform, I can stop your withdrawal for the reason I want to explain to you now. So I can stop your withdrawal. You place withdrawal on any platform, I can stop it. Like I'll just send it to the finance. Don't pay this client yet. Till No matter the mail you write, no matter the shout you do, they just say contact your account manager, contact your account manager. But for this broker, PU point, it is not done. Even the country director cannot stop your withdrawal. As you place withdrawal, they process it. Is that can you stop? They say why? The client didn't do anything. No, no offense. We pay the client. Why? Do you get that's what they be asking. Why should we do that? Why should we do? So it's only a good broker that will do that. I'm telling you this for free. So PU Prime is one of the brokers we recommend and we use. And you can trade forex, commodity, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies. Just they have MetaTrader 4, they have MetaTrader 5, they support it. And also they have, I can tell you, PU Prime has the fastest crypto withdrawal of PU Prime. I've never seen any broker that beat it. Crypto withdrawal of PU Prime. Before you place it, it's already on the way. Very fast. So, and also you can get, if you're interested in bonus, you love trading with bonus, you like bonus, maybe if you want $100, you get $100. If you want 1,000, they give you 1,000. So if you are our client, because when I left them, I make a deal with them. So any client from us can get tradable bonus, can get 100% tradable bonus, which can boost your trading power. So you can just go to the website. You can use this website to register directly. You fall under us and you can enjoy the bonus. You can just reach out to us and process the bonus for you. So you can go to their website. You don't need to write anything down. These are referral code if you like to get the bonus or you want to be under us. Once you are registered, they ask for your referral code. Just put OTE traders in small letter and you fall under us. You can enjoy the 100% bonus. You don't have to screenshot it. Just do a screenshot of this. You can tweet with it. You don't have to write anything down. Just do a screenshot. Let me do a screenshot of this. So PUM is a broker I will recommend, and we've used our bot on it. The bot has been working very well. We try our bot on different other platforms as well, which will be having issues, maybe slippages, DS, or our account in other broker will like make profit. This one will still not be working. So this is why we recommend two brokers. This is the first one. And this is another broker. This broker is very big, Forex. This is another broker which I have not worked for this broker, but I read about them. I did my research, internal research, not the one you read online about them, and they are very good as well. So from the name, Forex. So this broker, they actually designed this broker for trading bots, for people that want to use trading bots. So this broker is good for trading bots. You want to use trading bot, this broker is good for you. They are established and globally recognized broker, well recognized, fast order execution. They support MT4 and MT5. They are very big. I can tell you that for free. And this is it. For our clients, if you are registering to us, they give you free VPS. Provided you fund $300 and above, you have access to free VPS. If you are our client, you have access to free VPS. You can go to this their website, roboforex.com. This is our partner code. This Z, all in small letters, ZRZTU. This is our partner code. And also, this is our manager there. This is a senior account manager there, business developer. You can just chat him up on WhatsApp. Just do a screenshot of this. You don't need to stress yourself. That you just mention OTE traders. Do a screenshot of this. You can reach out to him on WhatsApp. He can guide you through on how to set up your account. These are partner code and all that. If you go to the website, roboforex.com, you are going to see something like this. You can see 16 years strong. So they've been here for 16 years. They've been around the world for 16 years. So, and they are well regulated as well, well regulated. And you will see this place, open an account, you click on it. If you don't have an account, you click on open an account, you take you to this place. Then you fill in your details. This is the place you click. I have a partner code. The code I showed you earlier, after you fill in your details, you put your partner code. That is ZRZTU. So once you put this, that means you are part of our clients. Okay. So if you need any support, anything at all, you can always reach out to Mr. Sero, the one I gave his contact. Please screenshot this. You might need it. So this is how to do the registration. And this is the biggest news I want to share with you, especially if you are in Nigeria and you based in Lagos or Lagos surrounding, like maybe you live in around Lagos that you can easily access Lagos. So RoboForex is having a mega symposium, one of the biggest in Africa, at Marriott Hotel. Marriott Hotel is one of the most expensive hotel in Lagos. So they'll be having a buffet, like whereby you connect with people, you meet other traders, you learn, you do so many things, you get to know more about the broker, you get to know more about forex trading, and so on and so forth. So, and this event is free of charge. You are not paying a dime for this event. You are not paying anything for this event. But however, you need to register with RoboForex. Just use this link, which I explained. Go to RoboForex, register like this, and send a screenshot of your registration. You can send it to, if you're on our WhatsApp group, just send it to any of the admin. Or I'm going to give a number at the end of this event, which you can always reach out to. Just chat with the proof of registration. We are going to give you the ticket to attend this event on the 28th of May. This is on Thursday. So it's a public holiday. And it's going to start by 12 p.m. 12 p.m. That's when it's going to start, because it's a public holiday. You might want to wake up late and so on and so forth. So you can attend this event. These are the two brokers we use. Now let's proceed. I said why trading bots fail, bad brokers. So in order for you not to go and use one broker that will end up blowing your account, so those are the two brokers we use and we recommend. So the second one is using a crack trading bot or pirated trading bot. I can tell you for free, most of the people you see out there, they say we have a bot, we have this, come and buy my bot. They are pirated, they are cracked EAs, they are pirated bots. They are not from the original source. And there are some things which our legal department, our compliance, I wanted to show you some things, but before we do any webinar, we have a legal department compliance. They need to approve our webinar. Do you get it? Approve some things, they remove some things that should not say this, I should not say that. It really pained me. They remove some parts which I really want to show you some hidden things about this pirated trading bots you are using. Do you actually know that they can? I'm already talking. Do you actually know they can see? Let's proceed. So, pirated bots. That's one of the reasons why why some of your bots are actually failing. You didn't get it from the right source, and the owner of the bot can do anything he wants to do. Can do anything he wants to do because you didn't get it from the right source. Another thing is unforeseen fundamentals. News can just come, boom. You just see your money disappear with trading bots. News can come. Poor risk management and over leveraging is another thing why trading bots fail. And unreliable VPS or internet connection is another thing. But don't worry, there is a solution for you. So, and this is what we do differently. We have some bots here. I told you I designed trading bots. It's not just smart. I'm already taking time. I'll have explained how I came about doing trading bot because I started trading manually. So let me just quickly do a little brief. So there was a day I was working with a broker and I had one of my friends talking on the phone that a particular guy made $150,000 on 200 with one particular HFT bot, high frequency bot. That was many years ago. So when I add $200 to $150,000, that got my attention. That how many times will I trade my $100 or with my hand and make it? Although the sad part is that all those HFT bots, most brokers are wise up now. They don't work again. It's just the people that knows it, then they're able to make money from it. But most brokers ban them. Even though you make it, they will not pay you. But some people actually use it, then they make a lot of money from it. Do you get? So that was what piqued my interest in trading bots. And this is what we do differently here in OTE. We do some different things when it comes to trading bots. So we build our bots with original proprietary algorithm. We design our bots. Our bot, you can't get it anywhere. No crack or recycle bot. We design our bots. You can't get our bot anywhere in the world. Our algorithm, except given to you by us. You can't get it anywhere. Their name might be the same. Maybe somebody will see something. It might be the same, but it's not the same. Our bot, we design it here. So there's nobody that can tamper with your bot or get it from the source. And one thing I do is every month I check the bots. I do upgrade practically every time. Once I see something during this war, I notice that maybe over the weekend, because we love trading gold and most of our bots is built for gold. I noticed that during this war, this Iran, Israel, and US war, it's possible they will bomb one place. By the time gold open on Sunday night to Monday, the market will just scatter, and it's possible the gold will have moved many pips. So because of that, I modified. I'm just telling you some of the things I do. We did all our bots in such a way that during this period, excuse me, our bots will start trading 8 a.m. We not trade overnight of Sunday. We start trading when everybody's awake. We know what's going on in the market. We start trading 8 a.m. on Monday morning and trade till Friday till the market close. But by the time the market open, doing this work, after the war, I see modify and do. So we do different things. Don't worry, I'll tell you more about it. And our bot is designed to follow the trend. Some people used to call me that your bot is only buying, is only selling. Does it not do the opposite direction? See, if the market is buying, the trend is buy, our bot will always buy. We not go against the trend. If the trend is sell, our bot will always sell. So if you are using our system, you might see sell for almost a month. Like, this bot doesn't buy. It's because the market, the trend of the market is selling. Maybe it's a downward trend. It's keep on selling. So that's our bot. We don't fight. We don't trade against the trend. And our bot is not matching the grid. Before you know, like 20 traders open. No, our bot doesn't trade like that. We have a solid risk management in place. And this is it. This is the biggest, that you can't get this. See, most of the bots they call AI out there. This is the secret. Most of the bots you see, they put AI. They can call this also Starper AI. They call most of them, like 95% of them or 98% of them, they are just normal trading bots. Do you get? They don't have what we call machine learning, AI embedded in it. But here in OTE Academy or OTE traders, we have some of our, not all our bots, I'll be sincere with you. What do I get? So we have what we call machine learning, and this is just like a new innovation. We started that this year. I've been trying this for a long time to be able to embed machine learning in a bot. So I was able to do it successfully this year. So we have a particular bot that has machine learning inside. And how does it work? I'm going to tell you more about it. Whereby it studied, after designing the bot, I trained it with Python for the people that know. So after training with Python, I did it in such a way that every weekend the bot look at the trade, place the previous week, study and retrain itself every week. So we have a particular bot that does that here, which I'm going to show you. So we have a lot of things now. We have powerful algorithms that you can't get anyway. And our bots are platform compatible. We have some, like two bots that are platform compatible. I'll even show you some. Don't worry. But let's listen to this testimony from one of our clients. He lives in Nigeria. He came back from the United States. So let's listen to this video review.
Hello everyone, my name is Olalikon. I'm a client of Optimum Tech Experts. Well, this is a testament of a profitable customer. I can categorically state that they really know their stuff in this firm. It's a typical example of follow who no road, so you know the loss. Well, Apple moved from the Western world to come open a business here in Nigeria. There was a need for me to consistently have access to foreign exchange, because that's the only practical way to tackle the inflation rate and daily rise of cost of living here in Nigeria. Well, I look no further after finding about the services that they offer with their automated trading bot. I wish I was vested with this company earlier than this. I can say that they really demonstrated their subject matter expertise in the area of Forex trading. I'm looking forward to increasing the value of my portfolio with this company, obviously, because everyone, right from the company owner, Mr. Bamitale, up onto front desk client services, Tosin, they've been really helpful, and they have been able to demystify, what Forex trading is all about. And I've been consistently making profit off of my portfolio. Looking forward, I know for an absolute fact that I will increase the value of my portfolio with this company because they really demonstrated how profitable Forex trading can be. Thanks, man.
So you can see, it's not everybody that will be able to give a testimony like this. It's not everybody that will be able to talk like this. So he's talking from a place of appreciation, a place of good experience. Do you get it? So that's what you can get if you are using our system. You can get good result with our system. So this is our first bot, our premium bot, OT Premium AI. This is one of the bots that most of our clients has been getting. This is like our popular bot, because maybe it's because it's usually pocket friendly. So it is called OT Premium. It trades gold. Most of our bots, we design it for gold. You can try it out with other currency pairs and all, but I design and optimize it for gold because I love trading gold. You can give return on investment. This is what most of our clients have been using. This is what they get, 15 to 20% per month. So this is what the bot can give. You can give more than this, but we don't like to over-promise and under-deliver. And even there are some settings that you can tweak that can give you more than this. Then any amount you can, but the subscription for this bot is $300. I know some say your bot is very expensive. Let me tell you, all our system, they call to our API and they call to our server. So everyone using this particular bot, there's a particular fee we pay every month for this bot to be running for you. So, and you can use this bot for 3 to 5 years. So if you look at it, even someone was asking me that, why is all our bots, everything is so cheap? Do you get it? But because if you check our websites online, you will see a different fee there. Do you get it? I built the website myself and I have not really have time to go back there to adjust to this particular amount I put here. Over there is more expensive there. So it's 24/5. Someone once asked me that, but I put 24/7 and it's in 24/5. Let me just explain. The market is open 24/5, like 25 times a week, 24 hours a day, 5 times a week. Do you get? But our bot is available 24/7. But when the market is not open, the bot is just looking. Do you get? So that's just the explanation there. This one has no machine learning. Like I explained to you, we have machine learning, whereby with design, I will explain when I get there. This particular bot doesn't have machine learning, but that doesn't stop the bot from working. This bot has been working since, with all the gas bots in the market in November, that most bots crashed, that trade gold crashed in November. In December, others crashed. January, February, even this February, yeah, a lot of bots crashed. This bot has been trading for over a year and it has been sustaining, has been delivering. So it's fully automated. You don't need to do anything. We have investor password. Don't just make mouth. Let me show you. So this is the audited result. This is FS book. You can see OT Premium. So this is the FS book. Let's see last year. So last year you can see July it made 11%, 24%, 23%, 21%, 5%, 11%, and so on and so forth. But in January we did not trade in January because I did a major upgrade in January. So we started trading in February, and in February it made 9.8%, 13%, and it has made 3.4%. So this is the audited. Let me even show you another performance. So you can see it has made 216 returns since 2025. This is the same premium. So it has been trading on this account for 36 weeks. That it has been trading on this particular account. And you can see the performance also. So we don't just make claims here, we show evidence. So let's proceed. So like I said, it's $300 for the premium AI. We have our team here that will set everything up for you. So this is another bot, the Orion Reversion Pro. This is our super duper Anypa bots. So these bots can do times 2 of the premium. It trade gold as well. You can do 20 to 30. You can do more than this. I can tell you that with my full shares. You can do more. People that are using it, they know that you can do more than this, but we just keep it minimal. So minimum amount, you can put any amount there. However, how will you buy bots? This subscription is one time subscription is 500 and it will last you for 3 to 5 years, depending on the license we give to you. So you can ask me about that. The subscription is 500. You're like, 500 is expensive. We pay more because it trade more. If that one is trading like 3 times or 4 times in a day, this one can trade like 8 times or 10 times in a day. So we call our API more. So it's supposed to be 600, but we just make it 500 because we pay per the call. Do you get it? So it trades 24/5. It has no news filter. You can trade. It's good for Profem. It's good for Profem. I'll show you an account that this bots pass. So we have the FSB. It's fully automated. The Orion Reversion Pro. This just remove cap for this algorithm. You can't see it anywhere in the world. I keep telling you that anywhere. You can look like Orion. The name I use is not possible, except it's from us. And you can't use our bot without the license. I put a lot of work there, put a lot of security and measures there. Do you get? So that's the fee for the Orion Reversion Pro. And this is our another bot. This one is the same thing as Orion Reversion AI with the Pro. They are the same system. The only difference is the AI. It has AI filter. And the purpose of the AI filter is this. For example, if that one is placing 10 trades, it's supposed to place 10 trades. This AI filter will check how soon will this trade close? Will this trade lead to drawdown? Will this trade stay for long? So if you see that the trade is going to stay for long, is not comfortable, you filter it off. So that's AI filter. And this, I use machine learning. After doing this bot, I train it with Python. And this bot train itself every weekend, every Saturday. This bot check the trade for the week and train itself. This bot learn itself. So it has machine learning. And the subscription for it is 1,000. So for everyone using this bot, I'll be paying $12 every month for anyone using this bot. $12. And in a year, that should be like $144, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $144. And if you're using this bot for 5 years, I'll be paying like $720 for the bot to be working for you. Do you get? So I can't be paying $720 and I'll be selling it for $100. Those bots you see $100, $10, $2, $50. They are bots, they are pirated bots. You can get it from our trading bot library. We have many there. Even some people say some pirated bot for $200, $500 that you can get for free in our trading bot library. Do you get? So and it's good for Profem as well. You can request for investor password, the audited MQL5 link, anything you can request for, we can provide it for you. And this is one account that this bots, the Orion Reversion Pro passed. So the FTMO 100K account, they passed it in 10 days. This is a client sent this to us. And you can see this 100K account. The account started April 1st to April 10th. In 10 days or 9 days, it has passed it. So this is what the bot can do for you. It's Profem friendly. Aside from Profem, you trade normal accounts, like trade them hands down. You trade gold, don't forget. And also these are feedback from different, okay, this particular madam, you can see, he said, sorry for the delay. I was still being skeptical about it, but I'm ready now to proceed. After seeing result on our WhatsApp group, he reached out to us. So I said, good morning, ma. First step, I sent the registration link. This is the registration link. If you want to register to this PU Prime registration link, and screenshot it and use it. So I sent to her, I think this around 9:34 a.m. So when we set it up, everything by, okay, let me just go to this one, by 1:02 p.m. You can say, wow, interesting. Come and see what he has made by 1:52. He made $23. She funded $1,000, I think, $1,000. And by the following day, she has made $61 on the following day. Say, money man, this is our second day. Money man, she responded in the afternoon. I made $61 in just 2 days. And this is the OT premium. This is the OT premium bot. So these are some of the reviews they gave us on Google. These are Google rating. They are 100% legit, have been profitable. This one bot is good. So you can see different review about it. So let's listen to this, another review before we proceed.
Hello, my name is Lo. I used to be a manual trader until I discovered OTE Academy School of Automation through my friend. So I registered on the 9th of March 2026. Even though I had no coding experience, the training was practical, easy to follow, and well detailed. I learned how to code and backtest trading bots and how to optimize them for better performance. I also learned the business side of Forex trading. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate the CEO of OTE Academy School of Automation, Mr. Lalowa, and also his team of staff. They are wonderful people. And I say, may God bless them richly in Jesus' name. Through OTE Academy School of Automation, by God's grace, right now as we speak, I'm now an automated trader. So, if you're serious about trading and you want to master automation the right way, I highly recommend OTE Academy School of Automation, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you.
So when I met this madam, this woman that made this review for us, she was telling me, I'm not tech savvy. Are you sure I can learn how to code trading bots? Are you sure I can do it? Are you sure I can do this? I said, ma, my oldest client is 74 years old, man. And she can code bots. Right now, she's using trading bots and she's trading. So like, really, that was what made her. Okay. Imagine a 74 years old madam still doing forex trading. Although I don't know what Mama is still looking for. Mama, if you're in this webinar, I greet you, ma. So when I spoke to Mama about the training, one thing Mama told me was she does not like to be idle. She retired from Union Bank, I think. She does not like to be idle. She just likes to be doing, just like to be on the system. So that was what piqued her interest in this, and she's doing well for herself. So let me introduce to our academy, OT Academy. This is not School of Automation. Is not a regular training you will see. It's not a regular one. Let me show you something. This general forex knowledge, this is what 99% of the brokers out there, this is what they will teach, and this is where they will stop. They can just add some little paparazzi to it. This is where they are going to stop. This particular place, general forex, that's what, how to draw lines, and let me tell you, it doesn't work. I'm telling you that from a place of experience. It doesn't work. Do you get? But this is, we are going to teach you that. But this one, the business side of forex trading, we are the only academy teaching this currently. There are more than 8 other businesses you can do aside from the buying and selling that people know. Is it referral? No, it's not. I'm not talking about that. So we'll show you the business model of forex trading that can give you more money than even the buying and selling in our OT Academy. And to count it up, we teach you the forex automation, how to buy, how to trade with forex with trading bots, how to code trading bots, how to use trading bots, anything related to trading bots. And this, you have access to over 350 editable trading bots in our trading bot library. This is our trading bot library. Let me show you. These are trading bot library. We have a lot of bots. You can see the file we have there is 391 files that we have there. These are our own bots. We built it in one of the training. This one is editable. Built in one of our training like that. So we have a lot of bots you can find there. Even some of the bots you want to go and buy, you want to go and pay for, you can find it easily there. Even though it's not there, if you have any bots, once you are a student, can you help me to check this bot out? I have a lot of bots in my archive that I can check out for you and I can post it there. Do you get? But you can't find these are bots anywhere in the world. You can't. It's not possible. It's not possible. Even though you have it, it will not work because I designed it. So once I see anybody that I didn't give the license to, I'll just disconnect. It's not difficult. Do you get it? So on the training bot library, we have a chat group where people see. This is one of our students. He built a bot that made $41 for him for that particular day. So I built this bot myself. So this is my result. Do you get it? So, and many say this is a game changer for me. Please, for God's sake, backtest the bot on sent account, blah blah. They communicate with one another. You see different conversation there. See this one. Backtesting is very interesting if you have the right tools. It really gives me joy since yesterday. I was working on one project AI. Very soon I will share the bot. He said, I'm proud of my mentor, Mr. Ola, for giving me the opportunity to learn and grow in EA backtesting. So you can see, you can see more testimony, please. Mr. Ola really did a very gigantic job for everyone here. Let's make him proud. So these are the conversation between our students on our trading bot library chat group. So they communicate. You can always ask questions. And guess how much is the cost? It's not expensive. Most of the course they teach you nothing. Is they charge ×2 of what we charge. So before now, the cost was 250,000 naira. But before, because maybe we have a lot of people, I don't have the money. Can I pay up? Can I do so? I just made a decision like, oh, let's just get everybody on board. So you can get this course for 100,000 naira, as little as 100,000 naira. You can get this course for 100,000 naira. And to get it is very simple. Just go to, you can screenshot this place, otacademy.online. You can just screenshot it. Just go, you just enroll. You can make your payment. Everything has already been done. Like all those courses you see online, like the Coursera and all that, whereby you start your course immediately. Everything is online. You can make your payment online, or you can reach out to our WhatsApp line, which I'm going to give. Someone will be there to guide you. And if you're not on our WhatsApp group, I'll give a number. You can always chat. You can be added to the WhatsApp group. The link will be given to you. You have a WhatsApp community. We have about five WhatsApp community currently, and each of them has full to the brim. Do you get? And we create more. Almost every month we create new WhatsApp group because we keep on getting filled up. So let's proceed. So you can follow us across all the social media at OTE Trader. This is my WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp line, our official WhatsApp line. The other webinar I had, I gave a WhatsApp line. People started chatting and I received a lot of messages. And WhatsApp decided to ban the number for reason which I don't know. So because at the end of webinar I did, we get a lot of messages. Because of that, we have to get this WhatsApp. This is a WhatsApp API whereby per chat, as we are chatting with people, we pay. You get. So if you chat this number and you see one of our staff sending their personal number, their own WhatsApp number to you, it's because they are trying to, you don't want to be paying, they don't want us to pay for the conversation because per chat, you pay. But you can always reach us on this number and they can give you their personal official number. They can chat. Because anytime I give my number, I'll give you like 2 or 3 of my numbers out here and I receive series of messages, they ban it. I have just one WhatsApp line now. I'm not going to give it out here, but you can chat us here. And you can also ask them for my WhatsApp number. They are going to give it to you in the UK. So this is our support. You can just do a screenshot of this, please. At the end of, you can read more, you can check more about our trading board. But the fee you are going to see here will be scary. So you can just stick with because you are hearing from Justice Mouth. You can just say, I designed the website myself and I don't have time to go back there to do any edits for now. So you can stick with all the information I'm giving to you here right now. So and this is our address. If you are not, do you have a physical address? Are you people online? No, we have Oluwalogbon Motors, Obafemi Awolowo Way, Alausa Ikeja. We are in the heart of Lagos, and this is where you can find us. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. It will go a long way for us, and to give a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything. And I want to appreciate you. Thanks for your time, and sorry for taking so much of your time. I believe you learned a lot. So I'll be inside the chat, inside the WhatsApp now, expecting you to chat. So I'll be waiting to answer all your questions. Just reach out to me on this WhatsApp. I'll be there myself to respond.